Hello dear students, in the last video we have covered the internal sources of recruitment. In this video we will start with the external sources of recruitment with its benefits and limitation. Now what is external source of recruitment? In every organization, if an organization wants to grow or the organization is new, it is not possible for them to get the quality of personnel with accurate number of talent from inside the organization every time. So they have to hire person from outside sources. This is called external source of recruitment. In simple word, it refers to looking for professional and required manpower from the outside of the organization to attract a new individual in case it is not fulfilled internally by the management. It is generally associated with the external pool of candidates who are looking for a job rather than considering the existing and internal employees. There is no change in position of the present employees and they look for a more talented employee with relevant skills and knowledge. Dear students, अगर हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अपने इनसाइड सोर्सेस से रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं फुलफिल होती और हम हायर करते हैं बाहर से और उन लोगों को हायर करते हैं जिनको जॉब की रिक्वायरमेंट है और हमें ऐसी स्किल चाहिए कि जो कि हमारी न्यू ग्रोथ के लिए रिक्वायर्ड है, देन वी हैव टू गो फॉर द एक्सटर्नल सोर्स ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट. This process is very important for the organization and it also attracts a number of deserving candidates towards the job's role. Moreover, it also encourages the currently working employee to develop and assist each other along with diversity. अगर हम एम्प्लॉय बाहर से हायर करते हैं, एक तो हमें डिजर्विंग रोल के लिए एम्प्लॉय मिलता है, दूसरा जो करंटली काम कर रहे हैं वो एक दूसरे को एक डिफरेंट स्किल्स के साथ काम को सीखते हैं और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की ग्रोथ में हेल्प करते हैं. But the major challenges for the external recruitment is that lot of money and time is spent for recruiting the employee from the outside. But if the employee is not up to the mark, if it does not suit to the job properly, it can hamper the growth of the organization. Now we will do the benefits of external source of recruitment. These sources are the second and perfect avenue. First तो आपको पता है internal source to find out the best suitable candidate for the organization when the existing employees are not enough capable to work on the available position. जैसे nowadays technology is changing so fast. Sometime old employee or the employees from inside, they are not able to cope up with the new changes. So it is the requirement to get the employee from outside. Qualified personnel, huge number of external applicants applied for the vacant position and there are more chances to get the best suited candidate as per the position available. Hence this process will give more and more chance to get best candidate. Wider choice and fresh talent, no doubt you can get the best out of many after doing the lots of selection process, and you can get also new talent. You can get the employees directly from the colleges and they have fresh talent, they have a different zeal of doing the work and they do the work differently, which will help the organization. Competitive spirit. If the organization employs the new employees from outside, it also increases the competitive spirit in the old employees. Adaptation of environmental changes. This process gives an opportunity to the best and suitable talent to enter into the organization. So it is obvious that candidate is selected from outside the organization and it becomes easy to adapt the changes in the working environment. अगर आप बाहर से कोई नया एम्प्लॉय लाओगे तो नेचुरली वो नए एनवायरनमेंट को के साथ इजीली अडेप्ट हो सकता है, उसको वो If we are doing same work again and again, it is very difficult to change themselves. Existing employee, mostly they resist for the new things. So if you are hiring the new workforce, so they will adapt these changes very quickly. Now we come to disadvantages of external sources. The first disadvantage is dissatisfaction among existing staff. Sometimes demotivating for existing employees, and they feel they will not get chance for the promotion or for the next any other new job area. Expensive and time consuming process. Dear student, it is very time consuming process. First of all, you have to give the advertisement for the application. After that, you have to select the person. So it is a very expensive and time consuming process. So this was all in all about the external source of recruitment, as its advantages and disadvantages.